Hello. What happens to your body if you start eating oatmeal every day? At breakfast, snack, or dinner? Do you know? Oatmeal is a superfood, cheap, easy to prepare, and extremely nutritious. But is oatmeal good for people with diabetes or prediabetes? Will it raise blood sugar since it is a grain rich in carbohydrates? And for those with fatty liver, does it worsen or improve liver fat? And what are the 10 benefits that oatmeal can bring to your health? I'm sure many of the information will surprise you. But first, enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel to not miss our health tips, and turn on the notification bell. It is also very important that you share this knowledge with your friends and family because when it comes to our health, it's worth sharing. So, share it there. And tell me, do you eat oatmeal every day? How do you eat oatmeal? Do you have a good recipe to recommend? Which part of the United States or the world are you from? Write it down below. Let's go. Why should oatmeal be part of your diet? What are the 10 benefits when you eat oatmeal every day, based on science? Benefit number 10. Improves skin health. Oatmeal is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV rays. In addition, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Benefit number 9. Strengthens the immune system. Oatmeal is rich in minerals such as iron, zinc, magnesium, and selenium, which are important for the functioning of the immune system. In addition, it contains beta-glucans, which stimulate the activity of the body's defense cells. Benefit number 8. Improves sleep quality. Oatmeal is a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep and helps maintain the body's circadian rhythm. In addition, it is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that is converted into serotonin and melatonin by the body, helping to improve sleep quality. Benefit number 7. Improves digestion. The soluble fibers present in oatmeal help regulate intestinal transit and prevent constipation. They also feed beneficial intestinal bacteria, improving intestinal health and reducing the risk of inflammatory diseases. Benefit number 6. Helps in child development. Oatmeal is an excellent source of iron and zinc, essential minerals for children's cognitive and physical development. It is also rich in protein and fiber, which help keep the digestive system healthy and appetite under control. Benefit number 5. Prevents osteoporosis. Oatmeal is rich in calcium, an essential mineral for bone health. In addition, it contains magnesium, phosphorus, and B-complex vitamins, which help keep bones healthy and strong. Benefit number 4. Helps with weight loss. Oatmeal is a low-calorie and high-fiber food, which helps increase the feeling of satiety and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. In addition, it contains low glycemic index carbohydrates, which help control hunger and reduce the desire to eat sweets and processed foods. Benefit number 3. Reduces cholesterol and prevents cardiovascular disease. Oatmeal contains beta-glucans, soluble fibers that bind to cholesterol in the intestine and reduce its absorption by the body. This helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and prevent cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. Benefit number 2. Helps control diabetes. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that is slowly digested by the body, keeping blood sugar stable for longer and reducing the risk of spikes in insulin in the blood. In addition, oatmeal contains soluble fibers that form a gel in the stomach, reducing the absorption of sugars and fats and improving insulin sensitivity. Benefit number 1. Can improve liver fat. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is the leading cause of liver disease in the United States. And it can lead to fibrosis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. Because people are eating too much refined carbohydrate like white flour, soda, sugar, and overdoing the size of their plates. As oatmeal can improve glucose, reduce cholesterol absorption, improve intestinal flora and weight loss. Two studies in 2013 showed that yes, oatmeal was able to reduce abdominal fat and improve liver function, being one of the ways to prevent and even treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Not a fan of oatmeal? You can put oatmeal in your omelet, mix it with ground beef and meatballs, put oatmeal on chopped fruit like banana, strawberry, mango, pineapple, add cinnamon, or even mix it in yogurt, or blend it in a smoothie. It's quick and practical. You can enjoy oatmeal in many ways. And this is a common question that many people ask: can celiacs eat oatmeal? Although oatmeal itself does not contain gluten, sometimes it can be contaminated with gluten in the factory. This is because wheat can be processed using the same equipment. So if you have celiac disease or are sensitive to gluten, it's better to avoid it. Now, if you're not, oatmeal has many scientifically proven benefits. There's no doubt that eating oatmeal every day is an excellent choice for your health, an incredibly nutritious food that protects you from various diseases and can help you become healthier. So, try to incorporate it into your daily life, and if you have children, it would be a good idea for them to participate too. Did you like the video? Remember to leave a like, comment and share so that more people have this knowledge. I'll leave 2 recommendations here next to it: my video on how to clean liver fat, the 10 best foods to reverse fatty liver and the 10 worst, and my other video on, do this to naturally increase testosterone in the body, 10 tips for men and women.